Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to show file extension in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show file extension in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on start, type here control panel, click on control panel. After click on File Explorer options. Click on View. Now here option Head extension Volcano file tabs. So uncheck this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show file extension in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.